Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and post to Facebook and Instagram at the same time? Well, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your Instagram, head into your profile icon, tap on the top right triple lines icon and tap on account center. And this is where you want to click on sharing across profiles and simply go ahead and connect your accounts right over here. Now, once you've already connected your accounts, so your Facebook account and your Instagram account, all you need to do is simply go ahead and add a post. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and select post, and then let's just say, for example, I want to post that. Click on next. Now, once you do that, click on next again. And as you can see, it's going to say also share on, and then I can select my Facebook right over here. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.